Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about a share and that company deals in manufacturing the electronic products such as it makes the contracts between the companies Samsung, Panasonic, Xiaomi in manufacturing their washing machines, laptops, mobile phones, LEDs, and some other electronics products. And the name of this share is, as you can see on the screen, it is Dixontechnologies India Limited. Friends, this company is a wonderful company and its 52-week high is rupees near about 6,000, and right now it is at the price of above 4,500. And one thing I want to tell you, this company is a wonderful company, and very soon it will cross its 52-week high, as the government of India has given a PLI scheme to it, and 5 PLI schemes has been given to this company. So friends, focus on this share. So now let us see some of its fundamentals. As you can see, the price of this share is above 50 DMA and 200 DMA. So that is a very positive thing. And you can see the volumes also, as it is marked in the light blue color. I have marked it. So friends, let's go to the next screen. So in this screen we can see that this is at the topmost part in its sector. So that is also a very good thing about this share. In the next slide we can see you people can see the sales of this share, quarterly sales. In June it was 2855, and September you can see that is 3867. So very good jump in its sale also. So in our next slide, let's go and see the net profit of this company. Before it was 45 and now it was 77. So this is also a very good plus point regarding this share. So the yearly sales of this company, you can see that before, in the last year the profit was 6448, and right now the profit is 10,697, and after that 12,748. So excellent jump in its sales also, you can see it. Then after that, in its next slide we can see the net profit of this share. Before it was 190, then after that it has jumped to 232. So that is also a positive thing in it. So everywhere we can say every point we have seen is the positive ones, and right now a very important one which you can see, the reserves and the borrowings. So first we will see its reserves. Before, the reserves were in March 2022 985, Then in September, you can see in September the reserves are jumped to 1100. So that is also a very plus point in any of the share. If its reserves are sound or it is at a healthy, then we can say that the position of the company is very good. Then after that we have seen the borrowings. The borrowings of this company before in the month 2022 it was 667, and then it has reduced to 413, as you can see very clearly. So it has reduced its borrowings also. That is also a very plus point for any company. So friends, I can say all about this share is that it's fundamentally it's a wonderful share, and you people can take your financial advisors guidance and deal accordingly. One more thing I want to tell you that this video is just for the educational purpose. Any profit or loss incurred by you people, it's not mine. I have made this video just for the education purpose, so that informations of this company comes to you people. I hope you will like my efforts, and if you like it, then do share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell. So thank you friends. Next time see you with another very important companies. Goodbye.